Big news involving dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel. The entertainer is being sued by a Trinidad-based promotion company called the Jacko Entertainment Limited over his cancelled performance at the One Caribbean Music Festival last May. So the promoter is accusing Kartel of breach of contract, unjust enrichment, and defamation, among other claims. They are seeking more than 7.3 million Trinidadian dollars in damages, plus the return of 1.1 million US dollars they say was already paid to him. Now, just moments ago, Vybz Kartel released a statement saying he's aware of the comments surrounding the cancellation and that his position is simple and unchanged. According to Kartel, the performance agreement required full payment in advance, and that payment was not completed. However, the promoter claims they had already paid 81% of Kartel's fee 2 days before the show, and that the remaining balance was supposed to be paid when he arrived in Trinidad. This is shaping up to be a major legal battle. Follow Jamaica News Page and tap the link in our bio for more news.